Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
We got potatoes. These ones are already cut. I'll show you how I cut those. And it's that simple. A little oil, this is olive oil, a little salt, pepper, and the star of today's show, the Copper Crisper. Hey, Mike Foster here. I was looking for a way to make some French fries without getting oil and stinking up the house all over the place. And my mother-in-law for Christmas gave me this Copper Crisper. And I'm like, copper? What? And that's exactly what I said. And she looked at me and she said, you little bastard, it's a Christmas present, don't act like that. And then we kissed and made up. And then I said, hey, let me try this. Let me see if I can make some fries using this Copper Crisper. All right, we're gonna set the oven for 400 degrees and let's slice this potato up and see if it works. Okay, the best way to do it is you just cut it right here until you get a nice slice like this. See that? Yeah, I know you see it. And then you just make it into a fry size, like this. Okay, I'm gonna finish these up, add them to this pile. Oh, my finger, no, it's okay. Right here. Next, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna throw them all in a bowl, like this. Okay, and fill them with water, and you gotta soak these for about a half an hour to get a lot of the starch out. Okay, so I'll see you in a half an hour and I'll show you what I do next. These have been soaked for over half an hour. I'm gonna put a little olive oil on them. There you go. And now we're gonna take these and put them into the Copper Crisper. Let's throw them all around. You can add oil, or if not, it depends on how you want them. Copper Crisper does not need oil, they say. All right, I'm gonna load it up with pepper. That's a lot of pepper. And a few crunches of salt, 2, 3, 4. We can add some more salt later. Let's go try these Copper Crisper French fries. I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 400 and I'm gonna check them at about 15, 20 minutes. I'll see you then. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look. I think I'm gonna have to poke in there. These still need probably another, I'm gonna check them again at 10. I wanna see if these really crisp up. This thing, I'm not really sure about this copper thing. See you in 10. Okay, it's been another 10, and guess what? I checked these. They probably need 5 more, and then we're gonna be good. All right, I'm gonna grab them at 5. I'll meet you at the counter. There they are, the Copper Crisper French fries. Let's see if they're as good as deep frying these babies. Big bite coming up. All right, you know, these took a little longer. It's supposed to be healthier for you. A little ketchup, it ain't healthy. That's okay, this one's a little crispier. Let me see. I'm not sure if I like these as much as deep fried, but hopefully they're healthier for you. I mean, they're potatoes that have salt and oil on them, pepper and ketchup. Who could ask for anything more than that? I'm gonna say I like them the old-fashioned way because I only eat fries like once every couple months. Might as well have them deep fried, but these aren't that bad. Check it out. Try it. Try the Copper Crisper. Check out Live Life 365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Hey, until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Well, for a guy who said he didn't like them that much, you're certainly eating them. Sweet babble. Oh man, don't do that at home, kids. That sucker's hot.